Have you ever wondered that why top 1% make more or own more than 90% of everyone else? Do they possess any high income skills that help them? Can I learn those skills? In this video, I will talk about 5 high income skills that are common among all successful ultra-rich people. The skill number 1 is persuasion. They know how to persuade. Ability to persuade is the highest skill in the history. Top 1% are the master of moving people. They know how to convince people, whether it's raising venture or convincing an engineer to join a startup. If you don't know how to persuade, you will miss a lot. This single skill is used in multiple ways: selling ideas, selling product, selling yourself, negotiating terms, making deals, raising capital. If we talk about Elon Musk, he persuades markets, investors, and talents. He moves stock market with sentences. He raised billions on VN alone. Donald Trump, one of the most powerful modern persuaders. He controls attention, emotion, narrative. Jeff Bezos, he persuades through logic and long-term thinking. He convinced investors to wait while he dominated. The truth is, highest earners are not the smartest. They are the most persuasive people. At number 2, another high income skill is sales. Top 1%, they know how to sell. Sales is persuasion in action, handling objections, closing deals, making business to business sales. The reason this skill dominates is if you can bring revenue, you are never unemployed. Top 1%, they create transactions. If we talk about Grant Cardone, he has high ticket sales dominance. He built multi-billion-dollar businesses on selling. He turned sales into mass movement. Alex Hormozi, he is the modern sales king. He turned offers into unavoidable decisions. He is king of offer-based selling. Another high income skill is leverage thinking. Average person asks, how much I can earn per hour. Top 1% ask, how many people, system, or dollars can I control? Leverage equals to one action producing outsized results. Top 1% are obsessed with multipliers, not efforts. They ask, what single action gives me leverage over people, code, money, or media? Like Elon Musk sends one tweet and stocks move billions. What leverage he used? Leverage he used media attention and capital markets. Another high income skill is attention control. Focus on activities that will bring them high value in return. They ignore distractions and controls dopamine. Top 1% protects attention like it's wealth because it creates wealth. They avoid infinite scrolling, constant messages, notifications. Top 1% design their environment such a way that attention theft is impossible. Warren Buffett reads a lot, consumes almost no breaking news, ignores market noise completely. His edge is not knowing more, it's ignoring more. Jeff Bezos, calm under chaos. He is known for being emotionally stable during crisis. He does not react to short-term numbers. He focuses on long-term signals. Emotional control equals to attention control. The uncomfortable truth is, hard work is not equal to high income. Degree is not equal to wealth. Talent is not equal to money. Intelligence is not equal to income. But revenue, skills plus leverage equals to wealth. The key mindset difference is, average people trade time for money. Top 1% build assets that make money without their much time. If you find this video valuable, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.